थैंक यू। ऑलराइट, ये टॉपिक सिलेक्ट किया है मैंने, इसीलिए सिलेक्ट किया है कि आजकल द लाइफस्टाइल जिस तरह की हो रही है, इट इज अफेक्टिंग एन ओवरऑल वेलबींग, एंड हर एक चीज पे हमारा फोकस रहता है, लेकिन जो सबसे बेसिक चीज है हमारे लाइफ में, जिसे इट्स अ नीड ऑफ योर फिजिकल, इमोशनल और मेंटल वेलबींग के लिए, जो स्लीप, उसी पे वी डोंट फोकस मच, वी टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड। अब मैं एक सवाल करूं यहां पे कि रोज रात को सोने के बाद कितने लोगों को फ्रेश लगता है सुबह? यस, यू फील एकदम वाव? समटाइम्स। सो मृदुला, हफ्ते में कितनी बार ऐसा लगता है? समटाइम्स मीनिंग सपोज 7 डे वीक में how many days you feel,
Okay,
oh wow,
so
that was a refreshing
3
sleep?
to 4 days.
Okay, that's a good
3
number.
to 4 days.
That's a good number. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Saurabh.
That's a problem that I have with the sleep.
Okay, what
Off
problem?
lately, definitely, I've been facing the issue. Off lately, I've been facing issue. I changed my whole. I tried to change my whole sleep cycle. Started getting up early in the morning, so that kind of have left me in a situation wherein I get up every day on time, like 4 o'clock. By 5 o'clock, I get up, and then I start feeling groggy, and then I start feeling sleepy again.
Okay, you will get your answers today. Don't worry. Vijal Bhabi.
મારી માટે તો it's a routine. 2:30, that's maximum I can say. Then I'm awake.
Even you will get the answer. Remember, I told
Yeah,
you
maybe.
once.
Yeah,
I told you, okay, give me some time. I'll come out with something.
yeah, sure.
Okay, so I will give you
Hopefully.
some insight. Yes.
Sure.
It will not be a remedy, but you will actually.
No,
get
that's. But actually, the
insight.
point is, doctor, that is not bothering me.
Correct. Very true. I agree and accept.
Yes.
Okay, and is it Ponmani? Can you please on your video?
Hello sir, I'm Revati.
अरे तो ऐसे बोलो यार. You just keep quiet. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. Revati.
How are you sir?
I am good. How are you, Revati?
Yeah, fine sir.
So how is your sleep in Mumbai?
So it is good, but I'm not feeling so much fresh every day, so that's why. So
Friends,
we'll see later.
she's my batchmate in hypnotherapy. She's also a fellow hypnotherapist, but her basic graduation is physiotherapy. She's a physiotherapist and hypnotherapist, but now based in Mumbai. That's Revati. So, okay, we move ahead. Let's.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to आपको एक simple way में हमारा sleep कैसे होती है, why do we need sleep, उसको एक simple way में explain करने की try करूंगा. It's a science behind it. जैसे हम को हंगर, भूख लगती है, जब आफ्टर सम टाइम यू फील, जिसको हम हंगर ड्राइव कहते हैं, वैसे एक स्लीप ड्राइव होती है. और ये स्लीप ड्राइव होती कब है? जब आपका हर एक बॉडी का जो सेल है, एक सेल्यूलर लेवल पे देखा जाए तो वो ग्लूकोज, एनर्जी के लिए ग्लूकोज कंज्यूम करता है. एम आई राइट? इतना तो पता है सबको, करता है. वो ग्लूकोज कंज्यूम करता है, लेकिन उसका जो बाई प्रोडक्ट निकलता है उसे हम एडिनोसिन करके कहते हैं. फॉरगेट द नेम, बट इट्स अ बाई प्रोडक्ट. ना वो जब एक्यूमुलेट होने लगता है आपके सेल्स में और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली द ब्रेन में, तब जाके आपको वो नींद आने लगती है. ओके, दैट्स हाउ द बेसिक स्लीप प्रोसेस. आपका ब्रेन आपको कहने लगता है कि भाई डल लगने लगता है, ड्राउजी लगने लगता है. अब उसके एडिनोसिन करके जो एलिमेंट मॉलिक्यूल है, और कैफीन, द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड और ड्रैंक कंज्यूम्ड थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, उसमें इतना ही फर्क है, एक मॉलिक्यूल का ही फर्क है. मतलब जब भी आप कैफीन लेते हो, ये एडिनोसिन के जो रिसेप्टर साइट पे जाके वो ब्लॉक कर देता है, और आप इमीडिएटली यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग गुड। लेकिन ये भी फैक्ट है कि जैसे ही आपका ब्रेन कैफीन को फटाफट यूज कर लेता है, कैफीन की लेवल कम हो जाती है और एडिनोसिन रश करके आके वापिस आपको नींद में डाल देता है। राइट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर कॉफी लवर्स हियर? ओके, एनीवन एल्स? कॉफी लवर्स? वाओ, यू आर गोइंग टू लव दिस। जैसे कैफीन, जिसको हम कैफीन क्या बोलते हैं, क्रैश कहते हैं, कि आप कैफीन लेने के बावजूद भी सडनली 2-1 घंटे के बाद नींद आना शुरू हो जाती है। आई डोंट नो, एनीवन हैज एक्सपीरियंस दिस? नो? ओके, मृदुला, यू हैव डन इट। ओके, नाउ और एक चीज होती है जिसके हम स्लीप रिदम कहते हैं। नाउ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ योर आंसर्स विल कम। ओके, ये समझ लीजिए, ये सबसे ज्यादा निग्लेक्टेड चीज है, और दिस इज कनेक्टेड विथ आवर ओन एवरीडे हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ और व्हाटएवर। इसमें क्या होता है कि द फर्स्ट थिंग इज, अभी इफ आई से इन इंडिया मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर स्लीपिंग बिटवीन 10:30 and 11:30, कैन आई से दैट रफली, और 12, 10:30 to 12, that's the time? Would you agree with me? Okay, now most of the time sleep disorders एक अलग चीज है, लेकिन जब आप सुबह उठते हो और आपके नींद पूरी नहीं हुई लगती, ऐसा लगता है अरे यार रात को गया मैं, कोजी हो गया, एसी अच्छा चल रहा था, लेकिन सुबह उठ के फ्रेश नहीं लग रहा है। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड ये कैसे चलता है। उसके 4 स्टेजेस है। ओके, मैंने आई एम कीपिंग इट एज सिंपल एज पॉसिबल, ज्यादा टेक्निकलिटीज में नहीं जाने वाला हूं मैं, नहीं तो अभी आपको सबको नींद आ जाएगी। सो फर्स्ट है, जब आप जागते जागते धीरे धीरे यू गो इनटू लाइट स्लीप। ओके, लाइट स्लीप के बाद आप डीप स्लीप में जाते हो, और फिर आती है जिसको हम रैम स्लीप कहते हैं। ये नाम सुना है किसने? सबने? यस, सौरभ, यू हर्ड इट, रैम स्लीप, रैपिड आई मूवमेंट स्लीप। बिजल भाभी?
Yeah.
रेवती, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क यू, यू नो इट। सो नाउ जो आप पूरा आपका स्लीप साइकिल है, जहां पे आप सोते हो और उठते हो, इसके बीच में अगर देयर इज अ स्लीप स्टडी, जिसे कहते हैं स्लीप स्टडी, एक किट आती है जहां से आपका पूरा, जैसे ईईजी रहता है वैसे पूरी स्लीप टेस्ट होती है। इसमें कितने रैम आए।
Is it sleep apnea test you are talking about?
You can say it is basically a sleep test, but usually it is more given for sleep apnea. Yes, you are right. It's
Yeah.
during the whole night you are supposed to wear it.
So yeah.
Yes, it's like an iPad. एक छोटा रहता है, which goes in your nose, and it measures
your yeah.
throughout the whole night. It measures कि आपको कितने REM cycles हुए, कितने बार snoring किया, कितने बार डीप स्लीप में थे, सब कुछ। When did you wake also? तो उसमें कितने REM cycle आए, that is deciding that your total sleep pattern. Now, how do you calculate this? Now, this is very simple. Average one, that means light sleep, deep sleep, REM. लाइट स्लीप, डीप स्लीप, ये साइकिल चलती रहती है। ये तीनों को मिला के एवरेज 90 मिनट्स की एक साइकिल होती है। ओके, इज इट क्लियर? 90 मिनट्स की एक साइकिल। नाउ जितने रेम साइकिल आते हैं, एंड एवरेज इट इज फाउंड के हर एक जन के स्लीप में देयर आर 5 रेम साइकिल्स। हर एक साइकिल में एक रेम आता है, वो है 5 बार। तो 90 into 5 comes to around roughly 7.5 hours. Roughly. या अपने को सब कहा जाता है 8 से 10 घंटे सोना चाहिए। That's actually a complete myth. Now, अगर मैं मेरा शेयर करूं, तो when I learned this, when I understood this, मैंने क्या किया, मेरी ज्यादातर नींद जल्दी खुल जाती है। मैक्सिमम 5:30 खुल जाती है। अगर मैं सोने की कोशिश भी करूं तो आई स्टार्टेड कैलकुलेटिंग वहां से 7.5 घंटे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 6 o'clock को मेरी नींद खुल रही है और मैंने पीछे 7.5 घंटे गया, तो इट हैज टू बी 10:30. एम आई राइट? 10:30 बजे इफ आई स्लीप आई विल बी, तो मैंने 10:30 बजे सोने की ट्राई की. आई गॉट अप एट 4:30. Now I calculated it that my 90-minute cycle is something around 75 to 80 minutes. So what I'm saying is it not necessary 90 minutes perfect आपके हो रहे हैं, लेकिन उस 5 से आप अगर एवरेज निकालो तो it will come between 75 to 90. Divided, multiply into 5, that is an average time you require individually for your sleep. Am I clear? कोई डाउट है इस मामले में? Yes, anyone? Saurabh, clear? Vijay Bhabhi?
Yeah.
Yeah, any doubts? Mridula? Revati? Any doubts?
What about that 4.5 hours? If we are waking up at 6 o'clock, then 4.5 hours?
No, see,
Less or minus?
your average study has been 90 minutes per the whole cycle.
Okay.
Correct? Now, if you multiply into by 5, it's 7 hours 30 minutes.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But that is what an average time which has been given.
Okay.
It may vary. Now, how do you calculate it? You say, suppose you get up, according to calculations, I am getting at 6. So I go back.
Okay.
अब बचपन में हमको कहते चलो सो जाओ, टाइम से सो जाओ, टाइम से सो जाओ. अब आप टाइम से 10:30 is your calculated time.
Okay.
Okay, I went to sleep at 10:30, but I got up at 4:30. So what does it mean? My 90 minutes is less.
Okay.
It is around 75 to 80 into 5. That will be my sleep requirement of my body.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the most crucial part. First third of the sleep cycle में there is a combination, maximum combination पाया गया है deep sleep of और REM sleep का, जहां पे ये the maximum आपके अंदर changes occurs, meaning आपका healing शुरू होता है, physical healing happens in that. आपका blood pressure कम होने लगता है, respiratory rate कम हो जाता है, and the best part now, आपके अंदर growth hormone release होने लगता है, meaning जिसे हम कायाकल्प कहते हैं हमारे ट्रेडिशनल लैंग्वेज में, इट्स एन एंटी एजिंग फिजिकल रिपेयर उस फेज में आता है, और ये चीज पाई गई है फर्स्ट थर्ड ऑफ द योर स्लीप, योर एंटी एजिंग. सो मोर यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दिस फेज, you will look more and more younger. Now, when I was studying this, something clicked with me. If you remember, हमारे काफी सारे yogis, I don't know if you have studied, they sleep only till say 3:15. They get up at 3 o'clock. Okay, how they about to do that? It's simply because this state they already cleared in their sleep. Yes, it's a matter of practice. Practice की बात है ये. तो ये अगर आपने कर लिया, the rest of the sleep is you can cover it up anytime. Now we come to जो हम average लोग हैं, REM sleep, the most important part of the sleep. Why is it important? यहां पे maximum mental restoration होता है. मतलब क्या? जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपने उस दिन में कलेक्ट की है, वो शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी से लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी में शिफ्ट होने लगता है. मतलब इट्स लाइक आपका हार्ड ड्राइव में डाउनलोड हो रही है. और दिस थिंग वेयर यू गेट योर ड्रीम्स, जितने भी ड्रीम्स आते हैं आपको इस स्टेट में आते हैं, और आई नो समटाइम्स योर ड्रीम्स आर इलॉजिकल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे को ड्रीम आता है कि मैं मेरे फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड की स्कूल टीचर को ट्रांस सेशन दे रहा हूं. इट्स पॉसिबल. नाउ हाउ डज दैट हैपन? इट सो हैपन्स, इट्स एन एग्जाम्पल दैट उस दिन आपने एक बढ़िया सा एक लेडी को ट्रांस सेशन दिया, एंड देन इन द इवनिंग my nephew Joy, I saw him playing around and doing his homework, which somewhere at the subconscious level मुझे remind किया is my school days. Now subconscious picks it up. There is a inflow of एकदम energy और knowledge की, और उस समय जो बाहर electrical impulse आते हैं उससे वो dream बनता है. Second most important thing is REM state में आपके muscles paralyze हो जाते हैं. Now this is very important because अब मैं आपको कनेक्ट करूंगा उसे हिप्नोसिस स्टेट से. कितनी बार हिप्नोटिक स्टेट में पीपल वंस दे कम आउट ऑफ ट्रांस दे टेल अस दैट मुझे कुछ महसूस ही नहीं हो रहा था, आई फील लाइक आई वाज जस्ट नॉट देयर. दे आर इनटू दैट REM पैरालिटिक स्टेट ऑफ फिजिकल, जहां पे दे आर टोटली नॉट अवेयर ऑफ देयर एग्जिस्टेंस. दिस इज द टाइम. और लेट मी टेल यू, इसके साथ भी एक डिसऑर्डर है जहां पे जिसको हम REM बिहेवियर डिसऑर्डर कहते हैं. इन द स्टेट ऑफ REM दे डोंट गो इन पैरालिसिस, और उसका जो ड्रीम चल रहा है वो एक्ट करने लगते हैं. लेट मी टेल यू, देयर आर पीपल हु हैव डन घासली एक्ट्स ड्यूरिंग दिस स्टेट. यू नो, दे हैव डन घासली एक्ट्स. अब उनको पता ही नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. They're just doing it, you know. So this is, I will not go much deep into this, but REM is very, and the main thing is your sleep tells you about you a lot. जहां पे now REM state का, especially ladies, very important. This is the state where you maximum brain activity होती रहती है. मतलब आपके glucose use is there at the highest. And if I put in very simple terms, तो आप weight lose करते हो इस समय. You lose your maximum weight during the REM state. So more the REM state, the more you will keep losing weight. Right? Now we come to the most interesting part, and this is, I'm sure you're going to love this. Chronotypes. जैसे you all know, जैसे अपने डर्मेटोग्राफिक्स में डिफरेंट टाइप्स है, वैसे वन डॉक्टर माइकल ब्रूस करके उन्होंने एक क्रोनोटाइप्स बनाए हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर स्लीप पैटर्न्स. एंड दिस इज वेयर बिजल बाबी यू विल गेट योर आंसर. ओके, द फर्स्ट क्रोनोटाइप इज द लायन, द अर्ली राइजर्स, where people ideally get up at 4:30. Okay, now I'll give you the characteristics जहां से आप उन्हें पहचान सकें. They are very early morning risers and they have medium sleep drive. उनका, they are go-getters. They are the CEOs, leaders, and they are health freaks. They're fitness enthusiasts, you know. And once they make a plan, they always stick to it. But they are wonderful human beings. But they only one drawback. They can't party at night. मतलब रात को एक डिनर के बाद एक अच्छी मूवी देखने नहीं बैठ सकते, because they are getting at 4:30. They can't do that. Otherwise, they are amazing, and they constitutes around 50% of the population. Major population आता है next chronotype में, और वो है the bear chronotype. Now, who are bears? They are solar sleepers. They have to get up at they are healthy sleep drives. 8 से 10 घंटे की नींद लेते हैं ये लोग. They are sort of the main the glue, सोसाइटी का ग्लूज है. आपको वही काम करना है, ये लोग करके देंगे. They are extrovert, open-minded, they are fun and enjoyable. Now the third part comes. Very interesting again. The wolf, जिसको हम अपने उसमें नाइट आउल्स कहते हैं. They are the night people, party lovers. They are creative peoples. They are the real creative peoples. Musicians, artists. Though they cannot sleep before 12:31. उसके पहले तो उनको नींद ही नहीं आती. And they are not, they don't follow the path. They are rule breakers. But they are very introverts somewhere. They keep to themselves. मतलब आप उनको बोलो कि सुबह जल्दी उठना है, ये उठ ही नहीं पाएंगे, कभी नहीं उठ पाएंगे. It will be a hell of a task for them to get up. And now comes the last. The dolphins. Dolphins are who have a very erratic sleep patterns. मतलब they have very short sleep drive. Their sleep span is very short. They have bouts of sleep. And they consider themselves self-diagnosed as insomniacs. But they are highly intelligent. And they tend to have some form of compulsive traits. They are fast talkers and they are mostly anxious. Okay? Now, most of the time people who have short sleep drives or who are lions, अब वो लोग ने अगर सुबह जल्दी उठ के they do something very strenuous exercise ऐसा किए, तो their body goes into what we call as a craving again for some form of rest. तो उस समय the best thing to do is you take a nap at around 9:30. People who are 4:30 बजे उठ के heavy exercise करते हैं, they come at a dip at around 9:30. अगर वहां पे आपने एक nap ले लिया, so that will motivate you and keep you fresh throughout the day. Bijal Bhabhi, does it ring a bell?
Yeah. I am just putting myself into that.
So, now, how many of you सुबह उठने के बाद first thing जो आपको चाहिए वो है कॉफी? Anyone है इसमें, इस ग्रुप में?
I used to have that, but I've stopped taking it.
Okay. Any particular reason?
No. Actually, I was getting much more addicted to coffee of whole day. So I've just restricted myself having just a mug of coffee in the morning. That is around 7:38. I usually go gym. I just have something, just a glucose biscuit or something like that while leaving, 1 or 2 biscuits. And I have my coffee after gymming.
Okay. That's great. That's great. Well, I'm going to come to that. Because usually throughout the world में caffeine हर एक प्रकार की, चाय हो, कॉफी हो, या any form of caffeine is consumed. There are people जो सुबह उठ के सबसे पहले उनको bed tea या they need something to activate themselves and they think this is the best thing. But that is actually not the right thing, because I'll tell you why. अब ये समझ जाइए, जब आप सुबह जागते हो आपके अंदर एक कॉर्टिसोल और एड्रिनलिन का रश होता है. ओके ना, उस समय अगर आप कॉफी पी रहे हो, योर एड्रिनलिन एंड कॉर्टिसोल रश इज सो हाई कि योर कैफीन लेवल इज टोटली goes waste. Now the scientific technique is wait for 90 minutes after you wake up. Wait for 90 minutes. उस समय में आपका cortisol, adrenal एक peak पर आके comes down. And then when you have your coffee, it will pull you throughout the day. Second thing, coffee lovers के लिए, कॉफी की हाफ लाइफ है 6 to 8 hours. इसलिए अगेन द रिसर्च ने यह भी बताया है कि आप 2 बजे के बाद अगर कॉफी पीते हैं तो आपकी अगेन स्लीप साइकिल को इफेक्ट करता है. ओके, यस, देयर आर पीपल जो आपको मिलेंगे बोलेंगे अरे मैं तो रात को भी 10 बजे कॉफी पीऊं तो भी पट करके सो जाता हूं. यू गेट पीपल, राइट? आई डोंट माइंड. आई नो पर्सनली मैंने अगर 5 बजे के बाद कॉफी पी, माई स्लीप इज गॉन. मतलब 1-1:30 बजे तक आई एम जस्ट loitering around. I can feel that. I know I've experienced it n number of times. So I avoid that. But if you are doing that,
just a question, doctor.
Yes.
But what, like, I've seen many of the people, as you said, some people are coffee lovers having coffee at night, and that doesn't affect them.
Yes, that's what.
Like, it's same with me. Like, I just take coffee with milk once in a day, or else I just have black coffee.
But
So
that
I
is-
mean,
is it at night?
yeah.
Okay, now, well, you're now let me tell you this.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Vijay Babu, you think that this doesn't affect you, but it is definitely affecting you at a brain level.
Okay.
See, because what happens is your sleep cycle is affected. Your deep sleep, what you are supposed to get, that pattern is affected.
Okay.
Okay, you may think that yes, I'm able to sleep. Yes, that time your adenosine is already there, so you get the sleep. But then when the caffeine kicks over, you are awake. So the type of deep sleep का जो 1/3 of the first sleep में जो 1/3 का जो deep sleep का जो है, you miss that.
Okay.
So now I'll give you a hack what you can really do. What you are doing, if we call it, there is a different sensitivity for coffee for everyone.
Yeah.
You know, it's a different thing. For me, as I said, if I
Yeah,
take-
because like even I had read somewhere, so I have stopped taking coffee at night. I mean, black coffee at night. But I was just sharing you.
what
This, yeah.
you're right. After 2 p.m. and especially you, after
Yeah.
2 p.m. don't take coffee.
Sure.
And if you want to take, say, till 2:33, but still you are feeling sleepy in the afternoon. Okay, it happens with most of us. No, you want to, you had a good meal, and you want to, you're feeling sleepy. Now I'll give you 2 hacks now. Okay, there is एक chemical है जो brain में बनता है, which is known as melatonin. Right? The first thing after lunch you do, if possible, is 15 मिनट धूप में जाके खड़े रहिए. It may not be possible. Now उसके लिए और एक hack है. Okay? Make coffee, either black coffee. उसमें either थोड़े ice डालिए, if you love that. ले लीजिए उसे और तुरंत 15 से 20 मिनट take a nap. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, I'll explain you कैसे काम करता है ये. And this is a proven thing, it's known as a coffee hack. जब आप कॉफी लेते हो और तुरंत सो जाते हो, तो आपके अंदर जब नींद आती है, वो जो एडिनोसिन डिपॉजिट हुआ रहता है ब्रेन में, वो आपको सुला देता है. 20 मिनट के बाद वो एडिनोसिन कंज्यूम हो गया, खत्म हो गया. And that's where the coffee kicks in. Trust me, 4 से 5 घंटे you will be fresh in the evening. Okay, you will be fresh in the evening. I don't know, there is one more substance which is well abused in our the world, is alcohol. Any people who take alcohol here? Okay, I'm not going to, but alcohol, yes, people think alcohol, and because why I'm sharing this, and Mrudula will agree, I'm working in a de-addiction rehab, so people tell me, वो alcohol लेने के बाद ही नींद आती है. That's a very common thing used, you know. जब तक मैं नहीं लेता हूं नींद ही नहीं आती. Now let me share the scientific explanation of alcohol. Alcohol, yes, there is फर्क है to go to sleep and to pass out. सोना और टून ओके लुढ़क जाने में काफी फर्क है. So what actually they are facing is they are passing out. They are not actually having sleep. And because 2 things happens. Alcohol also gives you a different wave of sleep pattern. Second, what it does is, and this is a fact, let's keep for a moment alcohol aside. जब आप full night रात को सोते हो, your body consumes 1 liter of water. So at the end, you are dehydrated. So if it's not winter nahi hai, to take certain amount of water before going to sleep. Otherwise, what will happen, and I'm sure every one of you must have experienced this, muscle cramps during night. Yeah, it happens. How many of you have felt that muscle cramps, especially the calf muscles, खींच जाते हैं?
And my sister-in-law, she has this problem. So she's been repeatedly told to measure how much water she drinks.
Correct.
Yeah.
That is the primary thing, because sleep time, your brain is functioning, it literally consumes water from your body. Now, उसमें अगर आप alcohol ले रहे हो, your dehydration level goes up. So ideally, you should stop drinking, even if you are drinking, 3 hours before आप सोने जा रहे हो. Why I'm sharing this with you is you can share it with the people around you who is habit of drinking. Yes, because of that. Second, what happens is आपके शरीर में से विटामिन बी, मैग्नीशियम, ये सब निकल जाता है. Because जब आप अल्कोहल लेते हो, immediately you have to go to the loo frequently, right? Whatever it is, whiskey, wine, beer, whatever. तो उसमें आपके बॉडी में से मैग्नीशियम and vitamin B goes, and that's why you get a headache the next day. So you have to replenish. How do you do that? The best hack is कि आप सोने के पहले, after you finish alcohol, start drinking water more and more. Coconut water मिले तो अच्छी बात है. Otherwise, keep at least 2 to 3 glass of water. And that should be 3 hours before you go to sleep. You should stop drinking, so that your alcohol is practically sort of metabolized by the liver. See, basically, let's come to one thing. A good sleep, जैसे बिजल बाबी ने sleep apnea बताया. Now, what is sleep apnea? It's a sleep disorder. Okay, most of you, I don't know it or not. It is when you go to sleep, there is a certain amount of blockage in your respiratory tract which prevents proper intake of breath during sleep. So वो बंदा रात को as a gasping breath लेके उठता है, something of that sort. And for that we have now machines. जो मशीन हर रात को लगा के सोना पड़ता है उसे, so that the normal breathing and your oxygen levels are maintained. Let me share one more thing with you. There are 2 ways. एक चीज है कि सॉफ्ट पैलेट रहता है हमारा पीछे तालवे में, एक सॉफ्ट, जहां पे यूविला करके आपको दिखेगा, which is there. Now many a time as we age, वो चीज एकदम लूज हो जाती है और सोते वक्त जब टंग पीछे जाती है वो ब्लॉक कर देती है. Why I'm sharing this again, आपके अड़ोस पड़ोस में या आपके फैमिली में ऐसा कोई हो तो there is a therapy or a treatment available. If simple snoring है, no issues. But snoring के साथ अगर ये sleep apnea है तो it directly affects your heart, जिसको हम लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकुलर फेलियर कहते हैं. It can directly affect your heartbeats, your heart health. 2 things है, एक तो मशीन है. Second is you can actually use एक प्रोसेस आया है which is very new, known as ablation, जो एक कॉटरी के साथ वो सॉफ्ट पैलेट को निकाल देते हैं. Literally they remove it. They remove the soft palate. ये मैं क्यों इतना कॉन्फिडेंस से कह रहा हूं? In Mumbai, I was invited to be a part of the demo of this ablation, where I attended, and there was a Norwegian surgeon, ENT surgeon, जिन्होंने ये soft palate को निकाल के, there were these patients. Within 10 days, उनका snoring reduced by 70%, and their sleep improved by 80%. ऑर्गेनिक ब्लॉक्स है तो अलग बात है, बट अगर जेन्युइन ये है तो इट विल रियली हेल्प यू एब्लेशन, राइट? सो कमिंग बैक, गुड स्लीप इज समथिंग विच विल बूस्ट योर इम्यून सिस्टम, decrease your BP, decrease your pain threshold, pain also. If you have a physical pain, it reduces stress, and your overall well-being is affected. Your performance goes up throughout the day because you are fresh. Now, I'm going to gift you something possibly Mridula knows and Revati knows it. Something which I'm going to share is how do you do a mini nap? Okay, something which you are going to do right now. I'm going to guide you first. Hear me out. कैसा करना है इसको? मिनी नैप ऐसा है कि ये एक, if I very put it bluntly, it's a way to fool your subconscious into believing that you are slept.
That you are sleeping.
Yeah, you are slept for 2 hours. And you only sleep for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
This is ideally was devised and applied for jet lags. Let me tell you, I had taught this to my good friend Himanshu when he had gone to UK, and he used it, and his jet lag, which usually takes 4 to 5 days, came down to 2 days. That's how powerful this is. आपकी जो कर्केडियम रिदम है बॉडी की, काफी सारी रिदम्स आती है, और एक कर्केडियम रिदम ऑफ स्लीप वो वापस बैलेंस में आती है. जेट लैग क्या है? बेसिकली आपकी जो रिदम है और जो ज्योग्राफिकल रिदम है वो मैच नहीं होती. दैट्स व्हाई इट टेक्स टाइम कि आपके फिजिकल बॉडी को उस रिदम से मैच हो जाए, राइट? सो नाउ इन दिस मिनी नैप व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, इट्स अ सिंपल वे. आप अपने आप को जैसे एक ट्रांस में डालते हो, मेडिटेटिव स्टेट में डालते हो. मैं आपको गाइड करूंगा, लेकिन पहले सुन लीजिए. यू आर गोइंग टू, वंस यू स्टार्ट वेरी मच रिलैक्स्ड, आप अपने आप को कहना शुरू कीजिए कि मैं 1 मिनट से एक बढ़िया नींद ले रहा हूं. फिर 2 मिनिमम आउटगोइंग ब्रेथ्स वापिस रिपीट कीजिए. मैं 2 मिनट से एक बढ़िया नींद ले रहा हूं. अगेन मिनिमम 2 आउटगोइंग ब्रेथ्स. 2 मिनिमम कह रहा हूं, आप उसके 4 या 5 भी कर सकते हैं आउटगोइंग ब्रेथ्स. देन 2 का होगा 4 मिनट, 4 का होगा 8 मिनट, 8 का होगा 15 मिनट, नॉट 16, 15 मिनट्स. 15 मिनट्स का होगा आधा घंटा, आधा घंटा का होगा 1 घंटा, एंड देन 1 घंटे का होगा 2 घंटा. So that way you will roughly in 8 to 10 minutes you will feel refreshed. और ये let me tell you, this is a part of self hypnosis. This is a very important aspect of self hypnosis. So when you wake up, especially जब आप दोपहर में you feel sleepy, आपको काफी काम है लेकिन ऐसे लग रहा है अरे अच्छा खाना हो गया, थोड़ी नींद आ रही है, you use this and you see how fresh you become. Right? So you are going to do this right here, right now. मैं आपको सिर्फ इंड्यूस करूंगा, and then is it clear everyone? Any doubts? Vijay Babi, Saurabh, Revati, I'm not going to ask you.
Yes, sir, I'm also ready.
Okay, thank you. Mridula, ready? All right. So now I repeat, you're going to start 1 minute, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. And after 2 hours, you will tell yourself कि मैं जाग रहा हूं, I'm waking up from this 2 hours of very relaxing sleep and I'm feeling wonderful, fresh, energetic and refreshed. Yes, one more thing, अगर बीच में नींद आ जाए, ये दोपहर में काफी टाइम होता है कि बीच में एक्चुअली नींद आ गई, बट बिकॉज ये चल रहा है, आप 5-10 मिनट के बाद यू विल रियलाइज, अरे मैं क्या कर रहा था. तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम विच काउंट जो आपने छोड़ दिया था. से आप 8 मिनट्स पे आपको नींद आ गई. यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 8 मिनट्स अगेन एंड फिनिश द 2 आवर्स साइकिल. क्लियर? एंड टेल योरसेल्फ मैं अच्छे सपना देख रहा था. क्लियर? दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल टेक्निक्स. एंड जिन लोगों ने ये सीखकर अप्लाई करते हैं, दे हैड सम अमेजिंग रिजल्ट, स्पेशली बिजनेसमैन, टीचर्स, हाउसवाइफ्स. दे नीड दिस. They don't have time to take a full sleep. So this is very effective, right? So I want you to take a comfortable position with your back rested, and मैं आपको सिर्फ induce करूंगा, and then I will give you a suggestion to take over, right? All right, here we go. I'm going to do this in English only. Everybody comfortable? All right. Make yourself comfortable, and as you have closed your eyes, you are slowly disconnecting from the world outside. And you are reconnecting with the world within. Let go of everything and just be. And as you do that, with your eyes wonderfully closed, I want you to become aware. Become aware of the wonderful process of your breathing. Those beautiful breath which is going in and out. And you feel that up and down movement of your chest or your stomach. Taking a breath in, letting it out. Taking a breath in, letting it out. As you breathe in, imagine you are taking in positive energies and universal life force. And as you breathe out, you are releasing all the stress, tensions, worries out of your body and mind. And each time you breathe out, you are going deeper and deeper within your inner mind. And to help you there, just be aware of your breathing. Just be aware of your breathing. Feel the outgoing breaths. Count them. Experience a beautiful wave of relaxation. Feel yourself going deeper and deeper, where you realize you are in control. Yes, you are in control. And as you realize that, as you feel that, slowly you are going to take over your mini nap. So I want you to start minimum 2 outgoing breaths and start your mini nap now from 1 minute. Go ahead. Enjoy. It's all yours. Once you have finished your 2 hours of sleep, you can then slowly tell yourself you have slept peacefully, deeply for 2 hours. And then you can slowly open your eyes. Everybody is awake? Revati?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Bijal Babi, will start with you.
Yeah, it gives some refreshment.
But you're totally with yourself?
Yeah, yeah.
Great, 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 great.
But the only thing is, like when I was trying to do that, there were some external things which were coming in mind. So it was maybe I was not fully devoted to that, I can say.
Okay. Fair enough. Now that will happen for in the beginning, but
Okay.
once you get used to it, कि भाई,
Yeah.
after lunch, before a particular work, if I do this,
Yeah.
you know,
Because I never take a nap in afternoon also.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
all right, all right. So I think that fourth category works suits you.
Yes, dolphins. I categorize myself for that only.
But yeah, see, let me. This is purely sleep patterns. जो भी है हमारी purely genetic है. It's genetically predetermined. So
Actually,
don't
my
feel
mother
bad.
also has the same problem.
Correct, correct, correct. So don't feel bad कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों है. This is how you are.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's all. You know.
In fact, my family is much more bothered that I don't sleep well, but that doesn't affect me.
Yeah, that's what it is. Now that's how you are.
Yeah.
And you are able to cover that, as I said, कि वो जो first, third part है sleep का. If you are able to do that very well, where your deep sleep and your REM sleep are, together.
Yeah.
So that's what you really need, actually. That's what actually you need. Right. Yes, Mridula?
I fall asleep.
हाँ वो पता है दिखा मेरे को.
So yeah, but मुझे instructions पता चल रहे थे and on time I was awake also.
See,
So it
as I
was a
said,
nice
आप अगर सो भी गई तो उठने के बाद जहाँ पे पहले शुरू किया था वहां से शुरू कर डालिए. Okay.
Okay, right.
Right, Saurabh?
Yeah, it was relaxing for me.
Okay. But to use this, Saurabh, this will be very helpful to you. You know. Revati?
Hello.
Yeah, awake?
Yes, sir. It was very refreshing. Like almost 2 hours I spent it like that. I am how sensitive I am.
I know. Great. But
Yeah,
please
it was very
practice it.
good, sir.
Please
Yeah,
practice it.
definitely, sir. Yeah, definitely, sir. I will do that.
See, now we'll come to the final this thing that keep one time of sleep life. हमारे साथ जो भी प्रॉब्लम होते हैं बिकॉज आवर बॉडी अडेप्ट ही नहीं कर पाता रोज जब अलग अलग टाइम पे सोते हैं. Most of our problems come in our sleep because of our erratic time schedule. 10:30 बजे if you are used to going in bed, आपके बॉडी को एक सिग्नल मिल जाता है, बॉस नींद का टाइम है, इट्स द टाइम टू स्लीप. बट एक दिन 10:30 बजे, एक दिन 11:30, एक दिन 12, एक दिन 11:15, so body is confused कि सोना कब है. That's why you take more time to sleep and your sleep cycle is completely affected. Second, very important है, I myself was addicted to that, is before going to bed, at least 1 hour. No mobiles, no iPod, no laptop, nothing. It's जो blue light निकलती है, it affects your brain patterns and your sleep patterns directly. And you try it out, not because मैं कह रहा हूं. एक दो दिन आप विदाउट दैट 1 घंटे पहले इसको सबको बाजू में रख के आप सोइए, आपकी स्लीप विल बी डिफरेंट. यस, काफी लोगों को टीवी देखने की आदत है सोते वक्त. अगर सिर्फ सुन रहे हो, people just put on the TV and they are lying down with your eyes closed, it's a different thing. अगर देख रहे हो, again 1 hour before shut it down. Directly जो waves release होते हैं, it affects your sleep pattern. It's difficult, काफी लोगों को difficult होता है ये, लेकिन अगर आप कर पाएंगे, you see your sleep quality will be very good. It's not how long you sleep, कि आप कितना deep sleep लेते हो, वो will decide the outcome of the next day. Right? So now it's open for questions. Feel free to ask any questions you want. Feel free. Any questions? Saurabh?
So do you have any I've been using some of the sleep bands to track sleep. Do you have any recommendations for that? I've been using some sleep trackers.
Sleep tracks. But tell me one thing, Saurabh. Do you sleep at the same time every day?
No.
You do that, you will not require a sleep track. I can tell you. Second, if
it's not more of a choice, that's how it is. So I recently tried to regularize it. Like, if I'm trying to get up every day in the morning, it kind of forces me to sleep early. But what has happened eventually is like now it makes my entire day more of less energetic, more sleepy throughout the day. Maybe especially after having food.
See, I'll tell you.
Kind of defeated a purpose.
No, but then you use this mini app I taught you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll try that. Yeah.
Do that. Second, I'll share with you, since सौरभ ने जो बात की है, ये काफी सारे केसेस मुंबई में तो बहुत आते थे. People who are working in call centers. जैसे उनके 15 दिन एक शिफ्ट है, नाइट शिफ्ट है, 15 दिन. Now, till you are in your early 20s, ये पता नहीं लगता है. As you cross 28 or 30 maybe, your body starts responding to this erratic schedule. Males में there are certain problems, okay, like erectile dysfunction and all. Females में I know a personal case, मेरा friend's wife case, who had difficulty conceiving because उसका पूरा जो hormonal cycle थी वो disrupted थी. बस 15 दिन ये शिफ्ट, 15 दिन वो शिफ्ट, 15 दिन, मतलब it was totally मतलब हेवार हो गया था. So yes, कितना भी हम बोले, sleep is a very important aspect of our life. Don't abuse it. और एक चीज जो पाई गई है कि चलो आज काम है, थोड़ा कम सो लेता हूं, बाद में उसको कवर अप कर लूंगा. No, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Somewhere your body does demand that sleep. दे दो उसे, बिकॉज वो जब दे पाओगे तो आपका बाकी का जो दिन है वो वेरी इफेक्टिवली एफिशिएंटली जाएगा. राइट? एनी क्वेश्चंस? विजल भाभी, मृदुला, श्योर, ऑल गुड? सो सिंपल थिंग्स, दिस कॉफी हैक जो मैंने आपको बताया, ट्राई इट आउट, इट रियली वर्क्स. द मिनी ऐप, इट रियली वर्क्स. Simple things like, yeah, one more thing. Usually, I'm sure you must be following, wear loose clothes when you go to bed. अगर नाइट लाइट में सोने की आदत है या नाइट लैम्प आपके बहुत करीब है, उसे दूर हटा दीजिए. जितना डार्कनेस होगा उतना ब्रेन मेलेटोनिन बनाता है, which you need for sleep. Okay? A lot of people have a habit of keeping their lights on. If you can come out of that, it will be very helpful, because the brain gets, oh, ujala hai. It doesn't understand tungsten light hai, LED hai, ya sunlight hai. So get it down. Reduce the lux of it. Dim it to the maximum possible extent. And last but not the least, please keep away from your laptop, mobiles and all. At least half an hour to 45 minutes. And you just give it a try. ये मैंने खुद करके देखा है. I was addicted to seeing Animal Planet and National Geographic before going to bed. And वो sleep और उसके बंद होने के बाद जब जो sleep थी was way different. Way different. Morning में I used to feel refreshed. Mobiles को रख दो बाजू में. You don't need it. Trust me.
So I have a question on that.
Yeah.
So now laptop or mobile, there are some apps that change the light settings for the screen. I see, like, and my laptop also has some daytime and nighttime settings. Does that work? Does it set that night filter? Does it help?
No, it doesn't, Saurabh, because your brain does pick it up. Any form of, see, it's basically a blue light which is emitting the wavelength, which emits from your electronic devices. It does affect.
Okay.
It does affect to a certain extent. Main thing is you switch it off. That's why I'm saying switch it off. You know, and you see the difference. I mean, I'm a clinician, so I'll tell you, you try it out.
Okay.
Just give it a shot. Right, guys? Anything else? Okay, so Bijal Babi, forget it. You are completely normal.
Yeah, I am actually.
Just enjoy. I mean, whatever you are just enjoying it. Just
Yeah. Definitely.
Only be careful about the coffee.
Yeah,
Be very careful. After 2, no coffee for you.
sure.
Okay. Mridula, anything else you want to? I know you are an artist, so you must be a wolf. Are you a wolf?
Somewhere between wolf and lion.
That's a very weird combination.
Combination, yeah.
Okay.
Because I have a habit of from childhood to wake up early around 5:30, and
Okay.
whenever it's till now, I feel like somebody is taking me from the bed, and I'm awake and still trying to sleep, but nothing happens.
Okay. Now, that's a wonderful point you have shared. One thing, अगर आप उठ गए हो, जाग गए हो, don't stay in bed. Get out.
Yeah, I can never stay in bed, whether it's
But
2
what if
or
the body
2 a.m.
needs
or
that?
2:30. I just step down and come and sit on the dining table.
I won't say 2:30, but
Yeah, but like that's my time
correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So, Mridula, you do the same thing. Get out. Force yourself.
Okay, fine.
आपका बॉडी आपको मतलब ये बोला नहीं चल थोड़ा सोते हैं, but no, get out. That's where now it's for you also, Bijal Babi. If you really feel, not it's a must, 8:30, 9 बजे, if you feel, take a nap.
In the evening.
No, morning.
Okay. Huh.
You see, it will make a difference. I have done that. I used to get up at 4:30, go for a workout. And once I'm traveling to Alpha, I used to take a nap by 8:30, 8:45. It used to make me just a 10-15 minutes. It will really try it out.
I just want to ask one thing, like
Yes.
when you are extremely tired for some or the other reason, that day I'm not able to sleep the amount of sleep I usually take, like 2 hours. That day I'm not able to sleep that much also, when I'm extremely tired or exhausted. And this is same with my dad too. When he also gets extremely tired, he's not able to sleep. So I mean, anything for that?
I'll try that you do this mini nap that time.
Okay, yeah.
See, somewhere you will have to focus there is one more thing which it works is you count. You're good with numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, decent. I mean, say, I'll give a very simple example. From 300, 300 say, in the multiples of 3, start counting backwards.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, now your mind will be so focused on that, suddenly you will not realize when you went to sleep.
Okay.
Because when you are physically tired, your mind, your energy cannot be dissipated. Somewhere it has to give in.
Yeah.
And that's where you will go into sleep. Give it a try.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Anything else?
Thank you for sharing this mini nap technique.
I'm telling you, it is. People are using it, especially people who are into some, corporate.
Those who have very busy schedules.
Yeah, they use it to recharge themselves.
Yeah, definitely.
That's why it comes in the category of self-hypnosis.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just take 10 to 15 minutes and you see how you are charged up for the day. And this will be very helpful to you, especially you, Saurabh, people who are working, people who, really helpful.
Definitely.
Okay, so
Yeah,
thank you
you,
for
doctor.
coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very good session, sir. We enjoyed.
Yeah, it was a
Thank you for
wonderful
coming.
session.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Bye. Good day to you.
Bye.
Bye.
Good day.